Are you feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, or just need a moment to breathe? Take a break from the noise and join me on a peaceful visual journey through the heart of Europe. We're about to embark on an immersive experience designed to slow you down, bring a sense of calm, and transport you to some of the most beautiful places on the continent. This isn't your typical travel vlog. There's no talking, no fast cuts, no distractions. It's just you, the gentle movement of the camera, the beauty of natural light, and the timeless scenery of Europe in stunning 4K ultra-high definition. From the serene, snow-dusted peaks of the Alps to the quiet, glass-like surfaces of ancient lakes, and the elegant, sleeping streets of historic European cities, each scene is carefully crafted to flow smoothly into the next. We wanted to create something that allows you to simply be, a space where you can relax, focus your mind, or just enjoy the pure, unfiltered beauty of the world. This journey is perfect for unwinding after a long and tiring day. You can put it on in the background while you work or study to create a calming atmosphere. Or you can use it for your quiet moments of reflection, meditation, or just before you drift off to sleep. Let the majestic landscapes and the quiet charm of Europe's cities guide you into a state of deep relaxation. Imagine yourself standing on a mountain peak, feeling the crisp air and seeing the world stretch out below you. Picture yourself sitting by a tranquil lake, watching the soft ripples on the water. Wander through empty cobblestone streets at dawn, with only the golden light of the morning sun for company. This is your personal escape, a visual sanctuary where the pressures of daily life can melt away. To get the most out of this experience, I highly recommend watching in the highest 4K resolution your screen allows. The detail is absolutely breathtaking, and for a truly immersive escape, put on your favorite pair of headphones. The natural ambient sounds will make you feel like you're right there, standing in the middle of these incredible locations. Our goal is simple: to provide a moment of peace in your busy day, a chance to reset your mind and soothe your soul. This is more than just a video. It's a tool for relaxation, a window to tranquility. Let the journey begin. Let the calm wash over you. Thank you so much for joining me on this peaceful adventure. If this video helps you find a moment of calm, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more relaxing journeys from around the world. We love creating these escapes for you. Now, take a deep breath, settle in, and let's explore the serene beauty of Europe together. Enjoy the relaxation.